a chemistry teacher that kind of inspired me. He used to talk about the days when he was working in industry. And as a teenage girl, I was just like in awe of how chemistry and products like this all link together, and how I could maybe be a chemist that might be able to look into producing the new product of the future. About what happens behind the closed doors or the closed gates of the chemical industry, sometimes it's a bit like Charlie Chocolate and Willy Wonka's factory. You know, you see these big gates, but you don't really know what's behind it. So I think when you actually meet people who work in industry and you understand about the products they make, and that, you know, we're highly regulated as well as an industry, and, you know, people just see these big stacks with what looks like pollutants coming out, but a lot of the time that's steam from our boilers. So there's a perception there around what the industry is, and the more of us people go out and talk and explain more about some of the manufacturing processes and the products that come out of the industry, I think the better, really. You work a lot on the bench, you're mixing chemicals, you're understanding how molecules break and form, and sometimes you're thinking, well, how does this all connect with the real world and everyday products? And working in industry really helped me to make those connections and understand how products that we use every day and are so heavily connected by chemistry, and how important chemists are to making new products for the future as well. I get to travel quite a bit as well with my job, and I do very much enjoy that. It enables me to get to other countries that I wouldn't perhaps be able to afford to get to. Currently, I've been to most of our European countries, so I've been to Holland, France, Switzerland, Germany. I travel quite a bit across the UK as well. I've also been to the States. I'm also planning or hoping that I can go to our Mexico branch, and we also have an office in Miami, so I'm still working on that one. I think the benefit I've had from this company that I work with is that they've never let me get bored. They've always put things in the way that keep me challenged and stimulated. So that's why I very much enjoy my job. And they also have a program as well to help you learn, and for them a management one-to-one to actually listen to what you want to do within your career as well. So it's not just them telling you where they think you should go. You tell them, you know, in 5 years' time I would like to be in a management position, or I'd like to work a bit in sales, or I'd like to go back to the research lab. They can work with you to make, I suppose, your dreams come true.
God, did you
That was cheese on toast.